लेट हो गए हम. वी आर रनिंग लेट. वी हैव अ टूर प्लान्ड. मिसमैनेजमेंट हो गया थोड़ा सा. द टूर पर्सन was not able to find us. The person who was supposed to come and pick us up, वो हमें ढूंढ नहीं पाया और we started late by 25 minutes. Uh, Now we are heading towards our meeting point and we are not sure who we have to ask for.
We made it.
We made it. और अच्छी चीज़ ये थी कि जो हमारा टूर गाइड है उसने हमें बोला कि yes you are late but fortunately we are also running late, so no harm no foul. बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है एंड आई एम गेटिंग अ टूरिस्टी फीलिंग. मतलब एक्चुअली आई एम टूरिस्ट बट वो जो अभी तक मूवीज़ में देखा है एंड इंडिया के अंदर लोगों को देखने दे आर असेंबलिंग इन ग्रुप्स. दैट्स हाउ द ग्रुप लुक्स लाइक. सी. So guys, this is the Athens tour that we are gonna make. Debashree is looking pretty as usual, and she's giving goals. Okay, I think our tour guide is asking us to join with them, so I'll just catch up with you later.
Wonderful colleague panels over here. We're gonna be escorting you around Athens today. Sounds nice?
Wonderful.
Yeah. We're a lot of people today, so we're gonna split you up into groups. Please make sure you hold on to your loved ones, otherwise we've got no choice but to split you up. Can I ask, has everybody signed in with me?
Yes. So Debashree, how's it?
क्या था वो building का नाम?
Zafion. Where ION किसी भी शब्द के आगे लग जाता है तो उसका मतलब होता है the house of. तो
So वो देख के आ रहे हैं. अभी हम जा रहे हैं ओलंपिक जो फर्स्ट हुआ था फर्स्ट टाइम ओलंपिक वो स्टेडियम देखने जा रहे हैं.
but yeah, Debashree is trying to work with the tourists. वो भाग रही है, फोटोशूट भी कर रही है.
हमने
She's
वॉकिंग टूर
enjoying.
इसलिए लिया ताकि हम अच्छे से चल के स्ट्रीट को एक्सप्लोर करके देख सकते हैं.
That's true.
lot of local food.
We can sit on the streets and we can have it like जैसे आप देख रहे हैं देवश्री के पीछे कि यहाँ पे सब रोड के ऊपर ही bistros and cafes are open. You can have it on the road.
So I love this culture of having food on the street. Like they have roadside cafe, and you'll get a lot of restaurants here, a lot of variety of food. So and it's pretty reasonable also.
That's true.
So this area is the most busiest area of Athens and the center area of Athens. So यहाँ पे आना बहुत important होता है. So you must come here and visit and enjoy the vibe. यहाँ का vibe इतना अच्छा है क्या बताएं. So हम अंदर जा रहे हैं खाना खाने.
Για να έρθω να σε πάρω. Τώρα θα ρίξω στο γυαλό σαν νιώτησα για να έρθω να σε πάρω.
Okay guys, we are going to Acropolis and we are trying to find a way, but as you know, as you've seen, language is a problem. So like 95% people don't speak English here, so we are having difficulty. But there's another problem that our phone is not working, so GPS is not working. Let's see how we'll get there.
Hi, sir. Hi, can you help us how to go to Acropolis?
So finally we found someone who speaks English, so she told us, let's see, we'll follow her navigation and let's see if we reach there.
We'll reach there and we'll do a yay once we reach
Yeah.
Acropolis.
So finally we have reached the Acropolis, and it's huge, massive. It's going to take a very long time for us to explore this
Show the people
place.
how much we have to walk up.
And just see guys, this is the way and we have to reach that top, so you can imagine how much we have to walk.
Exactly.
Oh God. But it's worth it. Wine for 1.5 euro.
Yeah,
that
that's
was
a happy hour.
hour. And we'll just take you through the street. Amazing vibe. You must come here. We just discovered this place. We were just walking around and we were trying to find some other place. So we just walked through this street and we stopped here because the vibe is so amazing, guys.
Hey, princess.
सो ग्रीस आने से पहले मैंने बहुत रिसर्च किया था एंड आई वॉच्ड अ लॉट ऑफ व्लॉग to know like what are the things to do, what should we eat. So I I learned that you should have gyro. That's a must have here. So since like 2 to 3 days I've been searching for gyro and I did not get it anywhere. So finally I got it today and I'm so excited to have that. Basically it's a dish. It's like a wrap but the wrap is made by pita bread and they put any meat of your choice like chicken, pork, and then they put French fries and some sauces. So in Greek style, so it's a Greek traditional food that I'm going to enjoy now, and I have been like really craving for it since like 2 to 3 days. And this is how it looks. It's chunks of pita bread and meat and all this salad and the sauce. So you have to make your own gyro. So I have this customized my gyro and I'm going to wrap like this. I'm going to have my first bite of gyro. Amazing. I never expected it to be so yummy.